Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up first and foremost. I will land with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. Teejay, we are going to talk about with the description of the video say. So subscribe if I your first time. Quick. So the video they circulate the internet with Squid, that are Unruly Squid, Popcaan sister, but the person where they among her with the name Star Dawkins basically. Who no know Star is a female that Lincoln Tree that used to date, you know. I think them separated right now. But I mean, people are say them a lesbian due to how them are going in a video, and that just normal. Just Jamaican people just, you see it, back at time. Viewers and subscribers, up next at Teejay, we are going to discuss one picture where him share upon him Instagram page. So it kind of have the people them speculate, you see it. So like I must say, the greatest thing him post it on him page. So him great. Am I right? Just prayers out for the artist said we full recover. As we strengthening up, we have to pray positive among one another. As we feed the area or we can better. And me I tell you that. So up next is Solaine, you don't know. She live for see her next Mother Day. Plus, we have to respect that bigger money, even though she not 100. Is it?
And next Mother's Day, God is good. What, my boss? Some police are pass me, I yell them up. I'm boss them, you know. Hi, Solaine, I see that. Hello, Solaine, I see that. Love you guys. Thank you. Doing where your name, I call you that cell phone. Too much party last night. Doing Fletcher. Vanessa, big up yourself. It don't work. And all who know me, all who don't know me, big up on yourself. Love you guys. You know, I'm Lenky as pass off, sorry. Condolence to the family. And Beauty, that's my daughter family. My daughter Auntie has passed off. Condolence to the family, the Earth family. And Brown Man has passed off. Condolence to the family. You understand? All of us were just some just gone before some, so don't bother sad, cheer up. Cause you understand, why you have life, you have to give thanks. What do I flesh on there? If not, you know, it's a bit of life. You ain't big up yourself. And all of my fans big up on themselves, and all of one of my fans big up on themselves, each of the heart out. So up to the car. Hey, me not stop talking about the car. Still me ask, you know. Some car man can serve for me and give me a car, although Mother's Day gone. Hey, each of the heart out, see Solaine in a drop top. You doing, me see you, big up yourself. Do it! Me goody doing. Me see you doing. Runway Closet, that's what she name again. Her birthday was what, Friday or Thursday. And she's still celebrating and Mother's Day come in. You understand? So she get double whopper. How you doing? Love you. Doing what you said the body? You said the body for me. It's alright. They are broken naked like buckle. But there, my guys. Cheer up. Yeah, that's how we don't dash away. For the afternoon macaroni, the double and butter, eat it. If you have the double and local oil, from some season, I eat it. But not lot of time. From the season, but them say, watch out. She cook salt fish or salt mackerel. I don't know that season fry. I eat you two dumpling that full of belly and drink water. I drink sugar water. Can't mix the sugar with water, you know? Just about that. Good on that. You go to your belly full. kill some more. We rough it up, man. I don't have time to do that. Fry up my season. And my neighbor them say, where you go? Give me some. I say, cash. Can't tell them I don't play on the season alone. So I just say, I eat it. I say, I'm out. I can't eat that bread. I say, well, all you have to go to bed. Look after here, I'm in the pot. Sometimes that's even season left. I like it in the pot. But that's how big up yourself, you don't that work. Big up yourself, my clean nurse. When I sign in England. But I say, what I say, if I love you one more time. If I love you one more time. But I say, they must stress you for the work. Yeah, the car me I say. Talk truth. This is Solaine in our own car. That look good. Yeah, man. The man all get car. That's how God work, man. When God give you a thing, God give you the best. God say if you ask, so me not to park still me get it. Some good art man uptown, downtown. I'm Movado. Where you do Movado? You can't buy a car for me. Movado, Father God will make them fight me so hard. Come here, ask the car, them fight me. I look at it, say me no coward. I look at it, me trust in a God. They want me living on the mark like dog. No make the ugly work of them ugly. Ugly work of them get no reward. No make they get no reward. No make the dirty fuck of them get no reward. No make they get no reward. I got me a chef, I got me a day. I know my Bible, I remember when I saw Psalms come out. Not college shall be. I believe I'm a true man. I'm a true about it. Not it shall be out, man. I'm a true. Ask that it shall be given. Alright? Already there so far pick the school fee for pay all kind of thing. I want to have the money for Mary. I want to do that worry. Now ask God. Ask God to comfort you first. I heal your heart. I have to tell God. I make God love you. Give you that agape love. Somebody not look for man for love. You think no man not gonna love you no like God? That day that God. I'm going to tell you. No man not love you like Jesus. So nobody talk about no man. Man not look somebody for love you though. And money man say. Man need money and car and house. And you look love. Go look God. And go to church and worship Him. And tell God to clean up your heart. And take out your neighbor out of your heart. And your family member when you don't talk to for how much years. Some of the family member wicked to them, no wicked to them too, you know. You don't talk to them. I don't want to tell me I talk about me care. I don't know family member, I'm not talking to no family member. I don't want to come up with me talk about me ask the care after I get house and money. On the bright side, you can't talk to the celebrity like that. Hey, back up. And somebody asked them to go look at a job. Somebody not about house must listen me here. When I watch me, when I worry about me, I'll be alright. So the care me say. Some care mad people, you don't talk to me no man. Miss Trina, Mr. Chang. One drop top. I'm going to go to in a style, double upper. Bounty killer, what you deal with? Beanie man, you don't say you're under your stress. Movado, what you deal with? That's all I listen now. Father God, we make them fight with so hard. Movado, we make them fight with so hard. I look at you where we don't go out in the Movado. And I spend no time with my man and my man give me bone. Jesus Christ. Now spend no time with me. I'll sing that again. I obtain, where you doing? You don't put the life, I'm Mr. Tag me. Add me, you don't add me. Now spend no time with me, girl give me bone. My man give me bone. Now the girl to me think, straight man. So what I do with? I want what number one topic? Number one. You cry which part of the world you there? Cuba? But Bush was seeing on. What name? Jacure. Jacure, Solaine, this is remember me you take picture, come in the place, but Bush was here. Come in. We miss you. Jacure, we miss you. Up to the plank team. What you not at? You don't want a bicycle, man. My belly big, but the car we ill. We push over hill. And the all around we pop down. Beanie man, where are you? Talk to me, the Beanie man. Talk to them. You're the king of the dancehall. Me man, big up yourself anyway there. They can't stop you. I love to be your friend. Where him name again? Prado, where you doing, Prado?
Oh, man.
Lady Sir, where you doing? Why you sing a song for me?